Thank you very much, my dear students. Now, I'm talking about idioms and slang. Just what is called idioms and slang? Idioms and slang means just it is informal words, and it has so many meanings. Idioms and slangs is used in America and the countries where the English is spoken. Idioms has one meaning, what say the others. Just sometimes we use the idiomatic words, just like is today is very hot. So very hot is easy meaning, very hot. But if you somebody also say, so high raining, this is idiom. It means idiomatic words. And also just today is very hot, it means hella hot. Today is hella hot. Hella means just idiomatic word and slang. So likewise many words like slang and idioms are used everywhere. Now we talk about here piece of hella or hecka, tie the knot, get hissed, piece of cake, cup of tea, high rain, giant walk, noon, on, etc. Number one, he scolded me, so I am pissed off. Pissed off means just angry. I am pissed off. Somebody did not give me anything if I demanded or required from him, but he did not give me. So in these situations, I am pissed off. I am pissed off. If I required some money from my parents and they did not give me, then in these situations, I am pissed off. It means I get angry. It means I am angry. So pissed off is the idiomatic word or the slang. Here today is very hot. It is high raining today. High raining. So such type of words is especially spoken in British, it means Britain and America and the countries where is English spoken. But nowadays, so in all over the world, such type of slang and idiomatic words is spoken. So now I am using the high raining means the very hot, the bitter hot that we cannot bear it. We can't bear it. Number three, Ram is mature. Mature means just the age is over. It means the conditions of getting married. Get married. Ram is mature. He is thinking tie the knot. Tie the knot means just the relations of the marriage. Marriage relations. Get married. It means the time, the age of getting married. So tie the knot is idiomatic word or the slang. This homework is piece of cake. Piece of cake, just a piece of cake means just a cake is very easy, we can cut easily. So and the piece of cake is very light, and so we can compare the piece of cake as easy work. When we use in daily life any work, then we use the piece of cake. It means we are doing some homework given by the teachers, then also we feel very easy, then we can say the piece of cake. Piece of cake means very easy, very easy. Number 5. This scary film is not cup of tea for me. Scary means just the fires, tremendous, that we are fear from this film. And from this film we can't get any achievement. In these situations, any achievement means the cup of tea. Cup of tea means the achievement. So from the scary films we can't get any cup of tea. Cup of tea means the achievement, uplabdhi. And also number 6, he never saw, he is busy our day, he is doing giant work. Giant work means just we are busy all over the day, we are doing some work. So laboring hard, struggling hard in all over the day, and to get something more benefit. In these situations, we use just the giant word. Giant means Rakshas. So the giant is not exhausted, and just likewise, we are also not exhausted like is the giant and doing the work all over the day without any difficult situations, without exhausted. So we can't feel any rest. So without rest, we can do anything, just like is the giant. So likewise here, noob. Noob means the strange person. A strange person means the persons who does not know anything, just like is anari, and he does not think properly any more. He does not think properly any about anything, and just we should teach them about the things which he is thinking about and which he is just wanting to think about. So in these situations, such person is called the noob. Noob means the strange persons, the vague persons, the persons which is invisible thinking about anything, unknown persons. So noob. And found, it is found means just a beat the defeated others. Somebody defeated the others in the game, in the competitions, just like is the quiz contest, the cricket match, the football match. In any match, if one team just defeated the other teams in these situations, the first team found the others. It means just bravely beat the others for 5 wickets. Beat means the found. So likewise, many words we can use as slang and idioms. Okay, thank you very much. In the next sections, just I will teach other topics. Okay, thank you. Bye.